This video we will talk about how to use the Let's Encrypt and how to make it our host HTTPS for free. So um, we will use the Let's Encrypt. If you don't know what is Let's Encrypt, I will suggest you definitely take a look right now. Just stop the video and just go ahead and read what is Let's Encrypt. So I will just talk about a little bit and then skip it. So basically, Let's Encrypt is the company where the company who provides for you the HTTPS certifications for free. So what they are doing is they are creating the certifications for 90 days and they will provide it for you for free. Only thing what you have to do, you have to implement your HTTPS process, like how you are making this, how you are updating your certifications. You have to automate that process, and then basically every time you request it, it will be automatically updated. So on top of Kubernetes, you don't have to do that extra steps. Only thing what you have to do, you have to deploy the Cert Manager. Cert Manager, what it does, it will talk to the Let's Encrypt and grab the actual certifications and use it for all your HTTP connections, HTTPS connections. So basically, this is the Cert Manager we are using for our Kubernetes cluster. And this Cert Manager, how it works, as I mentioned before, it will go to the specific API. It will do the API calls for the Let's Encrypt, and then get the SSL certifications and update for our Ingress controller, Ingress client itself. So, for example, how to use the Cert Manager. So, Cert Manager, as soon as you deploy it, only thing what you have to do, you have to create the issuer. You can create the issuer, you can create a cluster issuer, Let's Encrypt, and then you can use a staging prod, wall prod, verifier tip. So this is just examples. We will use the prod one right now. What we're gonna do, we will create the actual cluster issuer, and then Cert Manager is already deployed in our Kubernetes cluster, which is this draw, and that Cert Manager is taking care of making our ingress to HTTPS. Previously, what we did, we deployed the ingress, the simple app within just 2 minutes. We deployed the application and the application is up and running. So now it's the idea is make this application HTTPS. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a cluster issue and then certifications and Kubernetes secrets. You can see that Cert Manager will take care of that, so we don't have to create the certifications and secrets. Cert Manager will automatically create. So by default, you have to do extra steps. You have to create the secret itself. You have to create the certification, and then attach it to your Ingress client. So in our case, we don't care about that process, and only thing what we care about our Ingress client. So let me talk about a little bit cluster issue. What is cluster issue? And again, cluster is not per cluster issue is not per namespace. It will work entire your Kubernetes cluster. And then I'm giving the name, Let's Encrypt host Kubernetes prod, and then I'm specifying the email, and then this secret will be used for this cluster issue, and this is the prod namespace or URL. So what I will suggest you do, I will definitely take a look what is Let's Encrypt and be familiar what is this. So solvers, I'm just selecting the ingress kinds and class Nginx. So every ingress kind which is has been created with this class, so which is ingress kind class is Nginx, you can see that will be automatically updated for me. So just in case, I'm also creating the actual one more annotation for Let's Encrypt host prod. So I'm making sure, like 100% sure that this cluster issue will be used for this ingress kind. Alright, let me go ahead and create the actual cluster issue. Alright, kubectl -f issue. So you can see that I just create the cluster issue, and it's true within just 6 seconds it has been created. So now what I'm gonna do, you can see that the ingress kind will be pointed to the application, but we are missing some the HTTPS configurations. We don't have, this is the um, basic configurations for the ingress. Now we have to add actual the HTTPS. We have to just dynamically say this is the name we'll be using. Let me just copy the example from the dev namespace, for example. um, Let me just get this ingress for me. Alright, -OYML. So I'm gonna just get this under specification. You can see that TLS, host, and secret name. Do you see this? So this is the actual the part where is specifying it. So under specification, under spec, we are telling that you will use now, starting from now, you will use HTTPS, and the host will be the actual up1 host at up1 host kubernetes.com, and the secret name is we are just giving that for the cert manager, and we don't care. Only thing what we care is just the naming. So the secret is supposed to be the unique. That's the reason you have to provide this. So let me do this. Up1 host Kubernetes TLS, and as soon as I create the actual the ingress kind, what it's gonna do? Cert manager, which is this guy, will read the actual the ingress kind and create a certificate and create a secret for us and update our this guy to HTTPS. Right now you can see that not secure. Let me go ahead and create the ingress now. So you can see that everything is ready. I'm making sure that I'm pointing to the let's encrypt cluster issue, and then I'm making sure that it will be HTTPS, host will be up1 host kubernetes.com, which is our project. Alright, -f ingress -n test, right? Let me just apply it. Alright, so as soon as I apply it, you can see that the certification has been created, but it's not valid yet. So it will take some times to make it valid. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna describe that actual the cert for me, and then let's see how it goes from there. You can see that within just 2 minutes it was issued successfully. Let me get that certification. You can see that it's right now it's true and it's ready. So let me go ahead and refresh the page. You will see that there will be HTTPS connection, and if I will click on this, and you can see that certification is provided by Let's Encrypt authorized x3. So what happened is I have a pod cert manager. This is the actual the cert manager. It went to the ingress kind and then update actual the ingress kind and to their for the certification. It did create a secret for me. So let me go ahead and validate the secret has been created or not. So let me create the secret name. Kubernetes get secret -n test, and you can see that this secret has been created by cert manager. All right, so and our application up and running in HTTPS. We don't have any problem. I will go ahead and the video next steps we will talk about how to deploy the cert manager ingress controller, and then we will deep into the Helm deployments and customizations. Thank you for watching this video.